but today it's unprecedented security. What's going on?
Actually, they're afraid of Imran Khan. Imran Khan is not a name of just one person. Imran Khan is voice of 220 million people in Pakistan. And this imported government, they simply don't enjoy the support of public of Pakistan. They haven't come as the majority party of as majority parties of government should be in democracies. So they have used the back door. That's why they are afraid of Imran Khan, and that is the reason why you see that they don't let the peaceful protesters, the peaceful public who are supporting Imran Khan to even stand outside the boundaries of the court. And you see what type of security is arranged here, as if some sort of terrorist is coming. The terrorists are roaming around, and you are just you are stopping the peaceful protesters from using their political right. That's it.
Thank you so much.